This is just a quick little resource on the dihedral angle. So I'm just going to talk you through what the dihedral angle is, maybe give you a look at some of the concepts and how we complete some of these questions, and hopefully this is of some benefit to you if you are trying to complete this topic. So basically, first question you must ask yourselves is, what is the dihedral angle? So basically, the dihedral angle is the angle between two planes, and then if we just look into that a bit further, it's the smallest angle that can be measured between the planes and is perpendicular to the line of intersection. So if you can see this little graphic I've drawn here, our blue plane there is our horizontal plane, our red plane is the vertical plane, and the XY line we have running through that is our line of intersection. So the intersection between the two planes, horizontal and vertical plane. That green shape you're seeing there in the middle is the dihedral angle, and that's just a representation of the angle that's there. So I'm going to move on to an AutoCAD example I have here, which might be of some benefit to you and give you a better understanding of the topic. So say we're given this tetrahedron shape in our elevation and plan, and we're given the task of find the dihedral angle between these two shapes here, this one and this one. So first thing we can do is note our line of intersection, and that'll be this line right here. It's the line of intersection between this plane and this plane. So what we must do first is try find the true length of that line. So how we do this is we find where we see it as a line in our plan, and we come perpendicular to that. So we've come perpendicular to that, and we've drawn our XY line here. Then going back 2 drawings, we take our measurements from the elevation, and we can construct this little triangle shape here. And what that does is it gives us our true length. So this line here, the true length of that would be this line right here. And to find our dihedral angle, we must just look along this line and then take our other point up with it. So like we did in our elevation, we went back 2 drawings to try to find our heights. What we'll do here is we'll come back 2 drawings, go back 1 and back 2. So we'll be taking our heights from here. So if we mark this height here, it would be this one right here. If we mark this height here, it would be this one up here. And if we mark this height here, it'll be this one right here. Now 2 of these heights are going to be the exact same because they're the same distance away from the XY line here. So this is going to be the 2 points there. And this angle we have inside here is our dihedral angle. So that's just how you would find a dihedral angle in a simple example.